Forget about old websites that pay you a tiny amount of money, because in this video, I will show you a new strategy with which you'll be able to earn $100 worth of Bitcoin every 20 minutes for free. And no matter where you're coming from, you can do this as a complete beginner, because I will explain everything you need to know step by step. In this tutorial, we'll be going over some sites that I've never talked about before, which I use myself. So make sure you keep watching and pay close attention so you don't miss out on the many tips and tricks I'll be showing you in this video. And so you don't get confused and lost, just before we get into the video itself, guys, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more of it, show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss out on any of my new videos that will follow, click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video has been uploaded. With that said, let's get into the video. The first of the many sites I'll show you today is called bit4tip.com, and this is a great site that not many people know about nowadays. And immediately, when you come on here, you'll see all of these offers that will get you paid. And the first thing you have to do in order to start making money with this site is create an account on here. That is really simple and easy to do, so I won't go over it. Now, on this platform, you can get paid not only in Bitcoin, as you can see up here, but Bitcoin Cash, Nano, and Tezos. So if you're not a fan of Bitcoin, that's completely fine. One of these cryptocurrencies that I recommend in particular if you don't like Bitcoin is Nano. The reason is that its price has gone up significantly since January of this year, from $1 to $5 as of now, and the price seems to be going up again. You can check this out for yourselves, guys, over at coindesk.com. Anyhow, Bit4tip, guys, is a fantastic site to start making money in cryptocurrency. And the way you do so is by answering different questions people post on here, many of which can be insanely easy to answer. And while each individual question doesn't pay a large amount of money, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see that there are over 50 pages worth of questions. So it's pretty safe to say that you'll never run out of them. And remember, this is only the very first site that I'll show you today. Another great website where you can get paid in cryptocurrency is called surveytime.io. And as was the case with the previous platform, you have to sign up first, and you can do so through Facebook, Google, or Twitter, whichever option you prefer. I'll leave that part up to you. Anyways, the way you make money with this site is by completing surveys. More importantly, as you can see up here, you get paid $1 per survey, which is a lot more than similar websites, which is a big reason why I'm showing this website to you in the first place. The second and arguably more important part about this site is that it has amazing reviews over on Trustpilot, which you can once again check out yourselves. As you can see, nearly 80% of people rated it as great, so it's definitely a legit website. As far as payment is concerned, you have many options from Amazon gift cards to PayPal, but the most important part for us is that we can get paid in Bitcoin through our CoinBase account. And we are, after all, looking for sites just like this. The next website I will be showing you is called cinchbucks.com. This site's pretty similar to the previous one in that you get paid by completing surveys as well. But as you can see up here, you can also complete various offers to get paid. The site, as you can see, is very popular and has quite a bit of members with over 150,000. They've paid out quite a bit of money, over $1 million since 2014. This last part is very important concerning the legitimacy, as scam websites cannot exist for this long and disappear after a short while. If you're still skeptical about it, you can check out the reviews down below, and they're all good reviews, as was the case with the previous site. The last thing worth mentioning is that you do indeed get paid in Bitcoin, with other ways also available. Your first goal when you come on here is to create an account and log in, and you're good to go from there. This website I'm sure most of you are familiar with already, which is none other than coinbase.com. For those of you who don't know, Coinbase is a site that allows you to create a Bitcoin wallet and get paid in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. If you by a slight chance don't have a wallet by now, I highly recommend creating one on Coinbase. Doing so is really simple. You just have to click on Get Started right up here, and that's all there is to it. You'll just enter in your basic information from there and create an account. However, I am not showing you this website just to show you how to create a Bitcoin wallet, because this site can get you paid as well. How, you wonder? Well, simply put, by watching a few videos regarding different cryptocurrencies. It's as simple as that. In order to get started with that, all you gotta do is hover your mouse over individuals and click on Earn Free Crypto, and that will bring you to the page I am on as we speak. Down here, you can see which cryptocurrencies you can learn about, among them NuCypher, The Graph, Salo, and so on. In any case, guys, Coinbase can be a great way to both learn about cryptocurrency and also get paid. The last and arguably best website I'll show you today is cointracker.com. Now, I did mention this website in my previous video, but as that video was about passive income, I did not cover this website nearly as much as I should have, so I'll do so just now. Let's start off with the fact that this website has a 4.8 star review on Trustpilot, with nearly 90% rating it as great. This shows more than I can that this is above all a legitimate website and will actually pay you. It gets even better from there because in order to get paid, you have way more tasks to complete, which is simply not the case with many other websites, including the one I showed you beforehand. You can complete offers, complete surveys, watch videos, and complete tasks. In essence, this website offers you a lot more options than other ones, and you won't be just completing surveys alone, for example, which, let's face it, can get boring after a while. Apart from completing tasks, surveys, and such, you can also take advantage of the site's Bitcoin faucet in order to redeem your earnings from time to time. This website also has many cool and interesting features. For example, it will reward you for your loyalty. In other words, you get paid 100% more by logging in every single day. They also have fast payments and will pay you in Bitcoin and Dogecoin as well. You will be rewarded points for completing tasks. You can earn 5% interest when you reach a certain amount of coins. They also have a multiplier game to boost your coin balance, expert support, and a referral system in place. Referring people to this website, guys, is a great way to earn money in case you don't have too much time on your hands. Something else that is really worth mentioning is that you can make money with this website using your phone as well. As of right now, only the Android version is available, but I imagine we'll be getting an iOS version soon enough as well. In any case, the Android app looks really nice, and if you have an Android phone, you can make money with Cointoply. The last thing I want to mention, guys, is regarding Bitcoin. Reason is that its price has increased substantially since January of this year. I believe that Bitcoin has a lot of potential right now to go even higher, and so if you start getting paid in Bitcoin right now, you could be looking at some very decent profits in the long run. And with that said, that is it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, as always, show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to keep up to date with all my upcoming uploads, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon in some of my other videos.